Alan Butler with BuyBrakes.com. We're here at the 2018 SEMA show with EBC Brakes. We're here with Steve. Steve is the guy. He's going to give us the grand tour of what's going on here at their booth at the show. Steve, good to see you.
Good to see you too, Alan.
Well, I'm taking a look around. A lot of good stuff here, but I want to know what you guys are bringing new to the table for SEMA 2018 for this new year coming out. And I also want to know, what do you offer the people that are everyday commuters, those people that tow loads, they haul loads, and those racers on the weekends? You got something for all those guys, right?
Yes, we have a very wide range of stuff. That we have everything from a daily driver, spirited driver, weekend track guy, full race guy, and then we have a new lineup coming out with our two-piece rotors, 4-pot calipers, 6-pot calipers. If you want, we can walk around and check it out.
Let's go take a look at it right now. Okay, Steve, so now we're here in front of some of this brake equipment for your everyday commuter, just everyday driver, right?
Correct.
Can you tell us a little bit about what you offer here?
So this is going to start off as our everyday driver. This is what's called our RK rotor. It's a smooth face rotor that comes coated with our Gerothermic coating. Next to it's going to be our entry-level Ultramax 2 pad that does come with the braking coating. If your car does have wear sensors or need them, we do build them into the pads. And then right behind that's going to be one step up above the Ultramax pad into our GreenStuff series pad. We do offer 3 different styles GreenStuff pads versus if it's a car, if it's a truck. That's going to be one step above. So the Ultramax pads are going to give you about a 10% increase over OEM stopping power. Then if you move up to the GreenStuff, it's going to be about a 20% increase. And then we also have right here that's also good is the RedStuff that will mate very well with our RK rotor. That is for more of your spirited driver on the streets. This is our lowest dusting pad that is, and it's also our only ceramic pad. So it'll be low dusting for if you have the custom wheels, if you have a really nice car that you don't really want a lot of brake dust on, and also do a little bit of spirited driving.
Thanks for explaining that, because what that brings up is basically everybody from the regular everyday driver commuter who's looking for some more performance, better braking efficiency, all the way to the person who's that spirited driver, that weekend warrior essentially, right?
Correct, yes.
And now we're going to move up to some even better pads that you offer.
Yes.
Can you tell us about those?
So stepping up from the RedStuff pad, if you're doing a little bit more track day use, then what the pads that you're holding is the YellowStuff pad. That's going to be for a little bit more of an aggressive driver, a little bit more of a driver who is doing a little bit more track days, maybe a higher horsepower car, needs a little bit of stopping power. That'll also work for daily street use as well, and for the customer who is going to take it to the track a couple of times a month, maybe once, twice a month. If you're going to do more track days than that, then you're going to want to go up to our BlueStuff pad. Our BlueStuff pad doesn't come with the braking coating on it because it's more of a track day pad. You can use it on the street, but more designed towards the track guy.
So this is somebody who's mostly on the track but does street every once in a while.
Correct. Yeah. So it's a really good track day pad. If you're a guy who is doing just strictly race stuff, then you're going to want to move over to our OrangeStuff pad. So our OrangeStuff pad, we actually have 2 different compounds, which I'll show you the other compound as well. Okay. So the race compound we recommend for track use. We do not recommend it for the street use. This is a strictly track pad. So for your guy who's towing the car to the track and just do solely track days or full-on race car, this is the pad that we recommend for that application.
Very cool. Thanks for taking me down the road of all the different pads you offer at EBC Brakes. And there's, of course, a little bit more to see here at EBC Brakes at your booth here at the SEMA show.
Yes, there is more.
Well, let's move on.
All right.
What is this?
So this is a different variation of our OrangeStuff pad. This is our OrangeStuff Extra Duty. This is for your guy who is hauling, has big 1-tons, F350s, F250s, towing cars, towing that race car over. So this is going to be that pad for that customer. Nice. So, and this is our Extra Duty. It's our Extra Duty OrangeStuff pad. Really good for towing over 10,000 pounds.
Really?
Correct.
I love this stuff because I mean, if you're going down a big grade and you got all that weight behind you and all that traffic in front of you, you got to have the confidence to know that what you're hauling is going to be safe. So I think that this is a great product.
Yeah.
I'd like to see it.
And it works very, very well with the rotor that you're actually holding, Alan. This is our dimple and slotted rotor. So we dimple and slot down it, and it helps with the cooling of the brake, especially when you're doing the heavy towing with the big heavy truck. This will move through the caliper. It does 2 things. It helps cool down the pads inside the caliper, and also if there's any kind of debris or anything, it helps clean up the pads and expel it out of the caliper as it passes through it.
Very nice. What else we have here at this stand?
So at this stand, we have our newest and greatest two-piece fully floating disc. This disc is actually for a Nissan GTR. It is brand new to us. A couple cool features about it is it is a fully floating. We specially designed the bobbins on it in-house. We use a different, unique design to us. It actually allows 3 millimeters of movement on the disc. And the really cool thing about it that I like the most is once you buy the disc, the hub actually stays the same. So if it comes down to replacing it, all you have to do is get the actual disc part itself. You don't have to replace the hub again.
Two pieces that's designed to move.
Correct.
With heat expansion, right?
With heat expansion, up to 3 millimeters, yes.
That's great. And it looks amazing. It's a sexy product, I think.
Very, yes.
Really
we do
cool.
all the everything in-house, all the laser etching, everything is all done in-house in our facility in Northampton, England. So it's all done 100% EBC made.
We talked about pads, we talked about rotors, but I know there's more things that go into an entire braking system, right?
Correct, yes.
And they're here right in front of us.
So yes, we have them right here. So this is another new thing for us here at EBC is direct OEM replacement brake lines. Still braided brake lines, they're all pressure tested by us at EBC. This particular set right here is for an Audi RS4. They are becoming available. We will have them here soon. They're on their way over, and they're all direct OEM replacement brake lines, and we'll have them for front and rear applications.
Perfect. And now this really sharp looking caliper.
Yes, so this is very, very new to us here at EBC. This is our brand new 4-pot caliper. Some couple quick, and again, made in-house at EBC in Northampton. Some just real quick things about it. It's going to be one pad change, so the customer can just remove this pin, pull the pin out, pull the pads out. So it's going to be real quick for the customer that wants to use this on the street and also for race applications.
Oh, okay.
So if he wants to use our RedStuff for daily spirited everyday driving and he wants to go to the track and he needs our OrangeStuff pads, he can, as soon as he gets to the track, one bolt, pull
That's
off,
really smart.
Ready to go.
Yeah,
so
just like, hey, I'm going to go for a hike, I'm going to put on hiking boots.
Pretty much,
for a jog,
yeah.
I'm going to go put on my running shoes.
Yeah, you got to change your
Same thing.
shoes.
So
we make it very simple. So as of right now, we have the 4-pot caliper, which is 4-piston caliper, and then we'll have the new 6-piston caliper available in about 6 to 8 months.
Thank you very much. Is there anything else you want to talk about with EBC Brakes here today at the
No,
show?
just pretty much the only other thing is all the EBC product is available through BuyBrakes.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh.
I'm Alan Butler. I'm here with Steve from EBC Brakes. If you want to find out more information about all this great product, visit us at BuyBrakes.com. Thanks for watching.